Welcome back to 50 Car. In a world where strength and sophistication seldom coexist, the 2025 Ford F-350 concept emerges as a masterpiece. Designed for the discerning driver who craves capability without sacrificing refinement, this truck redefines what it means to dominate the road. The exterior exudes authority with its bold grille, sculpted LED headlights, and aerodynamic contours. From the rugged 20-inch alloy wheels to the muscular fenders, every inch speaks of precision. The rear features sleek taillights and a reinforced bed for utility, blending functionality with striking aesthetics. Pros: robust design and modern elegance. Cons: slightly imposing size for urban navigation. Inside, the cabin is a sanctuary. Premium leather seats with heating and cooling, a panoramic sunroof, and ambient lighting create an inviting atmosphere. The dashboard features a 15-inch touchscreen, voice-activated controls, and wireless charging. Pros: exceptional comfort and technology. Cons: some controls may feel overwhelming for first-time users. Under the hood, a hybrid V8 engine delivers 500 horsepower, achieving unparalleled towing capacity and efficiency. Its 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in 5.8 seconds belies its size. Pros: unmatched power and versatility. Cons: higher price point than competitors like the Ram 3500 or Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. Starting at $85,000, it appeals to professionals aged 35, 60 seeking reliability and prestige. The driving experience is smooth yet commanding, with advanced safety features ensuring confidence. Summary: the Ford F-350 concept excels in performance, luxury, and innovation. Perfect for long hauls and outdoor adventures, it sets new benchmarks in heavy-duty trucks.